on the local radar here, anywhere from the Midlands up into parts of northern England. We did have a splash of really heavy rain moving through, but by and large that has just about fizzled out altogether now. And the heavier rain is just skirting London and moving out towards Essex and the extreme southeast. It's just on the bottom corner of this swirl here, a weak weather front in the north, still fairly active one down to the south, and the winds are strongest down across the south too. Still some gusty winds to come for a time this evening and at first tonight, and then strong winds bringing in more areas of cloud and rain, those weather fronts there. The wettest weather and the windiest weather mainly across the north for tomorrow. Now as for that wet weather, as I say, it's already fizzling out over the Midlands and the rain moving away. Most areas coming in for some drier weather overnight, so there'll always be some showers in the far north of Scotland, and we'll start to see more rain arriving towards the northwest even by the end of the night as well. It's not going to be too cold, there'll still be a fair amount of breeze around, although the winds will ease off. Coldest, chilliest weather in parts of northeast Scotland. There'll still be a fair amount of cloud around. Although those winds starting off not so strong tomorrow morning, but they'll be on the increase all the time, with strong or gale force southwesters coming in across these western and northern areas. May have severe gales in the far north for a time, and even on the eastern side of the Pennines we're in for some really gusty weather, I think. In the north is where we'll see the heaviest of the rain, particularly in the far northwest of Scotland. Even here it may dry up for a time. Further south, well, rain pushing in across Northern Ireland for a time, maybe into parts of northern England. And then later on some drizzly weather moving down around parts of the western edge of England and Wales there. The wettest weather in the north then, the brightest and driest in the south and southeast, anywhere from the Midlands across, indeed even East Wales eastwards. We'll see some bright or sunny spells for a time into the afternoon. But a windy day, a gusty day, but warm despite that in parts of the south, up to 16 Celsius, that's 61 degrees Fahrenheit. And more windy weather sweeping in our way, with sets of weather fronts bringing unsettled weather in bands of rain heading southwards, followed by showers in the north this weekend. Bye-bye.